I'm gonna try to show you guys on Minecraft, on my realm, like, is the fire still there? Yeah, oh, the creeper got struck too! The creeper's charged! I need the creeper to blow something up.
Hey, what's up, bro?
Yes, give me a head, give me a head, give me a head, give me. When I say that's 1 in a million, I'm actually saying 1 in a million. Struck by lightning, 1 in 100,000, and a charged creeper. What? Dude! There's a creeper on me, and there's lightning. Dude, I cannot stress this enough. I got struck by lightning, and there was a creeper next to me. Okay, I'm just gonna talk about this in another video. I'll be. Bye, guys.